And far too kind, you never truly left my mind. I love everything that you do, just know this song was meant for you. Just know this song was meant for you. Someone like you is hard to find. That's why I'm proud to say you're mine. When you make a mistake or two, I still will be so proud of you. You are too sweet and far too kind. You never truly left my mind. I love everything that you do, just know this song was meant for you. Someone like you is hard to find. That's why I'm proud to say you're mine. When you make a mistake or two, I still will be so proud of you. You are too sweet and far too kind. You never truly left my mind. I love everything that you do, just know this song was meant for you. Just know this song was meant for you. god, I think I'm dying. Oh my god, I think I'm dying. Wow, wow. Oh my god, I think I'm dying. Oh my god, I think I'm dying. Wow, wow. Oh my god, I think I'm dying. Wow, wow. Oh my god, I think I'm dying. Oh my god, I think I'm dying. Wow, wow. Oh my god, I think I'm dying. Oh my god, I think I'm
Okay. Then we can turn off this music and we can get rid of this and we can do like this. Hello! And welcome everybody. So the sound is good and everything. Here we go, yeah. And welcome everyone and thanks for the follow. XLO84 and Not Your Normal Miner, of course. Welcome, nice to have you here. And Akagem is joining today. Hello, long time. And actually it's been a long time since I streamed at all. I think it's almost 3 weeks now. It feels like, yeah, an eternity. So I just had to get back into it today. I don't have maybe a lot of stuff, not like a rig build today, I think. I'm waiting for 5 more cards now that Kevin in the chat is going to send to me tomorrow, I think. And he has, yeah, done some blood, sweat and tears to get these cards. So just have to keep up with the chat. Okay. Forever my brother. Thank you, Akagem. Nice to have you here. And thank you for the follow, Kevin. So yeah, I can actually just take that right away. As I said, Kevin Holentech, if you call it that in English, is sending me his kindness. He's helped me get 5 more cards. He's sending me tomorrow. So he was buying, I think, 17 cards of a guy and bought 5 extra, so he's sending them to me. Thank you for the follow, Johnny. And yeah, first thing we can do is just have to take it up here. We can do like this and YouTube. So just going to show one thing first. Yeah, here we have it. Just switch screen. Yeah, so you should go follow Kevin Holden on YouTube if you not already do that. He started a YouTube channel. He has a few videos. I think he will have a new video when he's building a new rig, I hope. We'll see about that. So yeah, go follow him, guys. So yeah, the next thing, yesterday I moved all my rigs to Ether1, as you can see. So and I'm what is this sound? I would have had one today, but I was bleeding. Yeah, he was bleeding for me. That's nice of you. So okay. Yeah, as I said, I was moving all my rigs yesterday over to Ether1. So yeah, get it. So as I understand, there was some problems or something with the dev people. I'm not sure. I saw your video on it. Not your normal. Maybe you have an update to that. Not sure. But it actually got me thinking about, yeah, what the hell. I want to start a master node, so maybe 2, so I will stay on Ether for a little while. I have 2.3 gigahash, so yeah, and I'm mining on Wattpool. So as you can see, my miner is here. And yeah, I also have this small rig over here with 2 cards. That's actually old HD 7950 and one 7970 card that's mining, and I get about 30 megahashes out of them at 380 watts. So yeah, they are quite expensive to run. But as I said, the switch to MP again is 24. Yeah, so as I said, they are running on a Windows machine for now. As you can see, they are doing the 7970 card is actually doing 16 megahashes, so that's not too bad, but still it's too much power on them, so but I let them run for a while. I was thinking about maybe try to BIOS mod them, but it's older card, so you can't you can't do it with like Polaris BIOS editor. You have to probably I can take the BIOS out from them, but I think maybe I have to use a hex editor to modify the timing straps on them and stuff like that, so it will probably be for another day. But actually it's quite good, 16 megahashes on I not remember how old this card is, but at least 5 years old I think, maybe more. So and I haven't clocked the cards at all right now. I tried to overclock the memory on them a little, but yeah, it didn't do too much actually. I think I got the 7970 card almost up to 20 megahashes with overclocking the core and the memory. So, but it's an insane power usage on them then. So yeah, so so actually today I was thinking about maybe try to set up the master node for the Ether1 actually, just to be prepared. I don't have enough Ether1 yet, but I just wanted to start making the to get it up and running and see without the coins for now, and I have to of course put the coins in the address and everything, but I just want to start testing it a little and to be kind of ready when I got the coins for it. So all cards I got were Alpida. Okay, so there was because there was the Pulse card, wasn't it? The other ones, and they are probably Alpida also. Yeah, I think I have not remember. I just take it up here and see. I think maybe one of these rigs are the here we have the RX 570 Sapphire Pulse cards. They are also Alpida cards. Or Hynix. They are probably Alpida, I think, but you can be lucky. Maybe they are Hynix. Actually, I think Hynix is more stable than Alpida and easier to BIOS mod them. So ship me that BIOS after the stream. Yeah, no problem, no problem. I can actually do, as you see, it's quite easy actually. In can just take one card, download the BIOS, and and ship it to you after the stream, no problem. Okay, so I think we just go and look at the Ether1 website. We can go switch to my I'm going to install it on my laptop actually now, just because I have like Linux Mint on it, so just to check it out and see if I can get the get the commands running and everything, and get it up in the dashboard. Of course it won't be active because I don't have the coins for it yet, so I think it will take a couple of more days before I mined I think it was 15,000 Ether1, 15,000, so it will probably take about 7-8 days before I have the coins for it. As you can see, I'm mining. It's been running now since 4 a.m. last night, so I got 1600 coins, so I think I do about 2000 plus coins in 24 hours, so so about 7 or 8 days probably I will have the coins to start the first node. So I was also thinking maybe I go for the what do you call it again? Let me see, just pull up this site. The gateway node, maybe I make one of those, I'm not sure yet. So okay, but as I said, I think I'm because you have the setup guide, it should be quite easy actually. It looks really easy, and you need For the masternode you need 40 GB of available storage on the machine, 2 GB of RAM, and you also need a static IP address. I have to actually talk with my service provider at Monday, I think, to ask them about my IP. I think I had the same IP address for a really long time now, so probably but it's not like, I don't think it's static anyway. So he has a video on it, it's pretty easy. Yeah, it's pretty, okay, he has a video on it. Yeah, nice. I haven't actually seen that video, so, but I will definitely do that later. Okay, so I just want to test this quick at least and see what... no, actually, one more thing I want to talk about before we do that, and that is the... just have to quickly take up something here. Just bear with me. Let me see. Yeah, this one. Probably the most of you have already seen this, and I was actually hoping I could test this today, but I have to make a Linux. I want to test it on the Linux with one card first, and I have to install Linux on my test bench and put another card on it to test it, so I'm probably maybe try that tomorrow. But this is the new, no, that was the Phoenix miner, I wasn't going to take that out. It was the, where is it? Just have to take up this, did it go? There we have it, probably, because today, or yeah, I think it was yesterday, they released like an ETH pill for the RX cards, so that will be fun to try out. I think it's mostly like it's just by modding the timings on the go, so I don't think you get too much more hash rate out of the cards. I'm not sure yet, but at least you don't need to BIOS mod the cards anymore. You can just start like the ETH pill, and the cards will run with memory timings modified. So I actually can't find the link for it right now. Where is it? Yeah, I know. Just do GitHub. It was yeah, there we have it. So this one, AMD memory tweak. So probably most of you have already seen this. To fill up my cards first before you tell everyone about it. Yeah, I think most of the people in this chat already are watching this stream already know about this. So but I'm quite excited to test this out. Hopefully I will test this tomorrow. Of course, I could probably get it running on Hive OS also, but yeah, it's more easier to test it on just download the Linux Mint or Ubuntu and put it on the rig tomorrow, and we can test this out. So let me know if anybody have tested it and how it works. It would be nice to get some feedback on that. So so yeah, that was that. So as I said, we're going to yeah, there we are. So this is my Linux Mint, my laptop that's over there on the table. That's I'm using for testing a lot of Linux stuff, like new like wallets for stuff, and for coins and stuff like that. So it's always nice to have some place like for example like Greencoin that only supported Linux in the beginning. I think they still do that. I don't think they have any Windows wallet yet. So so it's always nice to have a Linux, a computer with Linux. Okay, so I think I'm just for this, so I can see the chat and everything better. I'm just going to fix my screen over here, and because I so I can get one more screen available. So just a few seconds. Yeah, that wasn't too easy. Yeah, there we have it. Okay, so then it's easier for me to see the. Just have to do some adjustments here, and then we are ready. Okay. Just have to move some screens around. Okay, so that one is number 4. Yeah, then this goes over there, and this goes down here. Yeah, I have 4 screens. I actually need them. Okay, so then I can move this down to this screen, and I will see everything more. Yeah, there we have it. Much better. Okay. Or not. I screwed up. Where did? Okay. Ah, there we have it. Just do like this. Yeah. Okay, then we can go back to the Linux stuff. So if we go to the nodes again, and we go to the node setup guide, we go to, let me see, here we can choose your operation system to set up a node, and this is for the Ether1masternode gateway node. Okay, so we are going to use this one then. You should just get 2 widescreens instead. Yeah, actually I have one 47-inch and 3 24-inch monitors. So but yeah, I should definitely get a bigger monitor instead, or like a few widescreens monitors, of course. So okay, let me see if we can get this running then. Okay, so we need to be okay, just close this and open up a new terminal. Open in terminal, and we just go sudo -i, yeah, and just to get in the root, and then we can take up this, and yeah, so we have to do, I think this should be quite easy. I don't think it's much you have to do to get it working. Install sudo. Okay, yeah, you are already on newest version. Okay, add user Ether1masternode. Okay, and we just put in the password. Changing the user interface for Ether1masternode. Enter the new value or press enter for the default. Yeah, we just do default. Room number, work phone, home phone, other. Is the information correct? Yes. Okay. And then we go add user Ether1masternode sudo. Okay, adding user to group sudo, adding user, okay. And then we just go system d you know. Okay, done. Okay, sudo apt get update. Let's this just run. We should yeah, as I said, my setup with the screens, you can probably see I have 2 monitors over there. So I have the live feed over there, and I have the big monitor over here, and I have a smaller monitor over there. So before I had the monitor in the back up on this shelf, but the problem is I didn't see it quite well because of the lights and stuff, so I just moved it down here. I think I'm going to get this arm to mount it to, so I can have it over the other one. So, but for now it's just standing back here on an old computer case. So yeah, just have to get the camera back there. Yeah, okay. So then that was done. The next thing we have to do, yeah, I think we just copy and paste this one, and Ah, yeah, it's the insert. There we have it. Okay. And then we just they will now download it on I probably, yeah, okay, we just try this. Okay, insert. So we are setting up on Node today. Yeah, I was actually thinking about not setting it up completely, but like, yeah, download all the files and everything and the binaries just to, yeah, kind of get it up and running. Hold on, you need to log in. Yeah, to the Ether1masternode. Okay, yeah. You can probably just I actually don't know. Okay, users. Okay. How was that again? How did you log into another user from the terminal? Sudo, yeah, su ether1node. Ether1node, yeah, there we have it. Then we can do this stuff. Thank you. And insert this. I'm happy I had not normal to do this for me. Yeah, of course it's nice to have someone, but at the same time it's like, it's nice to kind of, because I don't fool around with Linux that often anymore, so it's kind of start learning it every time. So but at least then you get some updates for yourself on how to do it. So okay, didn't I do this right? Let me see. You may need to verify by typing in your login password and script. Finish setting up. Okay, yeah, I have to run the whole script maybe. Permission denied. Okay. There we have it. Okay. Sorry, try again. Okay. Didn't want to do that. Okay, there it goes. Not actually sure what went wrong the first time there, but yeah, it's running now. So maybe I have to move it a little. For free units, it's required to stop. Ether1masternode multiple identities can be used for authentication. Choose your identity to. Okay, then we do like number 2, I think. I have 2 cards that didn't automatically start, so I have some troubleshooting to do. Or do you want me to send you those cards so you can do it? Yeah, you can send me those cards if they don't work, and I can take a look at them. No problem. I would love to do that. It's fun to mess around with it. So you can just send them to me, and I will send them back to you if I kind of fix them or something. But do you get any picture on the screen, or is they completely dead, or how does they what's wrong with them, kind of? Okay, yeah, option 2, thank you. Okay. Yeah, I already, or did it time out maybe? I think it's actually timed out. Or what happened here? Yeah, timed out, of course. Just do like this then. We run it one more time. Got to start over from the last command, yeah. Okay, there we are. And then we do like this. But it didn't happen. Yeah, number 2 again. I didn't. Yeah, okay. Main process exit code merge with result exit code done. Ethernote failed with result exit code. Okay. So, what's the problem then? I'm still at Ether1. Let me do option 2. Password. Okay. Numlock is... Did it work? Okay. There's something happening here. Let's see. May need firewall configuration, but you will need to allow all traffic on ports 22 and... Okay, so that might be the problem then. What is the fail to stop? Okay, so it's probably already active then. Help me out if you want someone. Sudo. Okay, we can try this just to see if there's something running now. Active failed. Okay, just blow this up a little. Exit code, start request, service, hold off time over, restart. Oh, so that wouldn't run. Okay, we have to see if we just... Looks like permission issue. Yeah, shouldn't that be this one over here? No, this one. That was the permission. No, VJ. No, that was the get. Okay, so just have to. Okay, so it's the only. Try that command. Yeah, first exit, okay. And then, as you said, do the... oh, this helps me so lot. It's... it's kind of... I had to Google this if I didn't have someone to tell me, so thank you. Ow, that didn't work too well. Okay, we just have to type it then. It's RM. RF. Temp. Ether1. Did I do something? Yeah. Maybe like this. Sudo make me a sandwich, yeah. Hello, my friend. Issue I think is you created the directory as root and then... Ah, yeah. That might be. So if we... Actually we could, yeah. Oh. Let me see, where is that stuff? Oh. Temp Ether1. Okay, RM RF temp Ether1. So if we so we can actually... Oh, I'm typing it wrong. Should be like this. Yeah, exactly. Okay, and then we can go back to... Oh, wasn't it CD? No search file, yeah. Okay, ls al to check. Okay. So then we have a lot of stuff. root, cryptography, config. No Ether1, good. No Ether1, good. Yeah. Okay. So if we actually could just, because that dot is lying. Aren't funny. Yeah, I know. No, we can su Ether1 and try again. Yeah, okay. Su ether damn it, Ether1 node. Okay, and then we was going for this, wasn't we? Let's see if that works now. Or should I do the make directory and everything? No. No, of course. I need your phone number and email so I can pay for the shipping online. Just do it after the stream. Yeah, no problem. Are you shipping with what are you shipping it with? Yeah, you get it first. Yeah, the make directory maybe. Also. Yeah, and make the directory. Yeah. Okay, let me see. Insert this again, and then we go and just copy this. Okay. Okay, yeah, then you have to put it at bunnpris, yeah. Okay, let me see. And then we do this command again. Let me see now. Fingers crossed. Hi, wife. Huh? Somebody saw you. Oh. Yeah, she's over there. Hiding away. Akarim, you need a new graphic card. Yeah. Kevin will hook you up with that. Okay, so no, failed. It's timed out again, of course. I need to pay more attention to this. Let me see. Okay, option 2. Let me try like this. Failed to start again. Maybe we should start all over. Failed to stop. Access denied. Okay. Why is this not working? Could it be something with the firewall or something like that, maybe? Is it just okay. What was the command I was doing? Okay, and it was yeah, still no yeah, we have the Ether1 node actually here now showing up. So if you have some suggestion, banana, or no, shit banana, be free to tell me. But at least it's showing up the permission here. Look good now. Okay, so then it's not a permission problem then. Sudo, yeah, okay. Sudo system, what did it say? CTL, okay. System CTL. Okay. Ah, restart. Yeah, okay, yeah. I thought you said it restarted the node with typing like restart Ether1masternode. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, this was actually, of course, probably what I would do was maybe just start all over again and try to make a new account and stuff like that. Journal. Okay. Journal CTL F U Ether1masternode. Okay. I did type it correct, I think. Journal FU Ether1masternode. Okay. Maybe sudo. No. Or I'm typing something wrong. Yeah, of course I'm typing it wrong. I see that now. There we have it. Let's see. Okay, so that's the next step then. Just have to wait for yeah, with the O, I know. I blame it on the bear. It's the bear's fault. The working node should look like when it's syncing, yeah. Yeah, so it's syncing the blocks now. Okay. Have a nice evening, Akagem, and good night. Nice of you to stop by, as always. It's a lot more fun with a GN setup though. Yeah, I was thinking that. As I said, I probably want to try doing that also, but for now I just want to check this out and try messing around with it a little, and yeah. As I said, I have a few of, just pick up something here. Oh, I have a couple of these old machines like this just laying around. I have, I think, 3-4 of them. I was actually thinking of setting up nodes on every one of them, just for fun. So yeah, I hope so. I hope you be there to help. That would be nice. Thank you for the help, by the way. So okay, so just for fun, let me, yeah, master node service node is connected. Okay, step 2. Yeah, so I have to wait for this to sync up, and then I can go into the dashboard, I think. Or correct me on that if I'm wrong. But because I have to Then the next question is if it actually will go through my firewall, but we will see that. Oh, work tomorrow. Yeah. I have the day off tomorrow, so that's good. What is this? Okay, yeah. I'm just going to type a few things to Kevin here before he's going, as I say, so he can ship me the stuff. So he can ship me my new GPUs. Since you have not here, you have to forward, yeah, on the you're running masternode. Okay. Yeah, that's a while since I've done something like that, but we'll try. No problem. I have to log into my router then. 10.0.0.1, I think. Let me see if it will connect to it. Or maybe it, no, of course, 192.68.1.1 it is. I think it's time, yeah, there we have it. Okay, and then we go to the firewall, and we have the ports, yeah, it's down here probably, yeah. Master node. We go to the remote. Let me see what's the local IP on this machine. Just have to check that. Shouldn't it be some network connections? Wi-Fi. And we have the IP address. Should be here somewhere, shouldn't it? Or I can, yeah, no, okay, I can just check it in here also. Yeah, WAN, yeah, of course. Yeah, here we have the port. Yeah, there we have it. Just have to find the right machine. As you can see, I have a few stuff. There we have it actually. And then it was which port I have to forward. 30 and 5, wasn't it? 30 and 5. It's the TCP port. It's master node. I think this will be right. Or is there something wrong here? Maybe. Because this one should be, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think so. Okay, this one, yeah. do it. Yeah, but as you can see, I have to do something on the port here. So if we put this in there instead, like this maybe. I'm not sure. It's been a while since I've done this. Yeah, for both. Yeah. Okay. Let me try that. And then I hope I don't crash down the stream now. I hope it stays up. Yeah, it seems okay. Okay, and it's still running. Yep. So then we can. What happens if I go to the dashboard now? If I go to add node. As I said, I don't have the. What are your specs? You're telling. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. What are your specs? What do you mean specs on? Okay, never add node. But where do I fetch the address for? Yeah, that's the address for the on my computer. Yeah, it's, what is it? It's an old i7 and 1070 card and 16 gigs of RAM, I think. Yeah, what is my IP? Yeah, the IP address, it's okay. So don't hack me, people. Thank you. Okay, we can put that in. But we need to the address. We need an address. I think. Just go to the one wallet. As I said, this is just for testing, so I will set this up when I get all the coins. So create new wallet. Yeah, of course. Yeah, we can do like this. Yeah, I can use my address for the miners, okay. Let me do like, where do I have it? Yeah, we have the address over here. Let me just copy that. If that's working, I'm not, no. What the hell? That was the wrong machine. There we have it. And then we go add, no, select the type of node, master node, add node. Yeah, Akarim. Okay, no, failed. Details. Okay. Yeah, now you see the public key and everything, that's fine. As I said, I'm going to take this node away later, but address verified, no stake. No, the stake wouldn't be verified, but oh, no chat. What you said before I go? How do how I can afford all this PC stuff, all the cards and all the miners and stuff? Yeah, it's kind of, I have an investor, if you can call it like that. Yeah, of course I can set it up as a service node and upgrade to master node later, but yeah, as I said, this is just for testing it to see if I can yeah, somehow get it. Who is the investor? And yeah, it's a friend of mine. Yeah, Tom Rich Boy. I'm not that rich, not at all. Okay, go back. So I think I done the right. Can just double check the. So you need to make profit. Yeah. Someday I hope I make some profit, but for now I have, as I said, it's a friend of mine. He's also, of course, I put a lot of money in it myself, but he is also putting his share in it, so so that helps a lot. And he barely knows how to turn on a computer, and I know a little more than him, so so he wouldn't be able to do anything with all the cards and the miners and stuff, so I like maintain everything. So yeah. Okay, I was just checking on the, where did that go? Okay, we'll just go back into it again. If you are going gonna build my next PC. How much do you think it will cost for me to pay you if you want like really good stuff to play games? Yeah, you don't have to pay me to build you a PC. I'll do it for free for you, no problem. I just think it's fun to build PCs, so that's no problem. Makaging. What? You just buy the parts and I put them together for you, no problem. Just have to see that I actually chose the right, because yeah, it should be the right one. 5.4, yeah. It should be the right one. Check the advanced settings again. Oh. Yeah, 30, 35, 54. Yeah, so that should be alright. Then you need to help me in the future to find good stuff. Yeah, no problem. No problem at all. Okay, so that's okay. And we can just go back to this one. Yeah, masternode, node ID, okay. Yeah. This is still running. Can do one more thing here to test, okay? Tell me, please, tell me. Go to details, yep. And see the verification address, yep, this one. It's nice to have people that really knows this stuff. You need to send to the, from the miner address, okay? Yeah, let me do that. I just need to decide if I'm going to send something to this. I have to do that on my other screen, because if not, you all will see my my node, no, my wallet. So just have to open up my wallet and then send some. Need to send to the worker from the miner address. Yep, then we try doing that. No problem. You see. I will just take this down and do it on my machine over here. Okay. Send ether. Okay. This. Select wallet file. What is the heat of giveaway? Yeah. Let's see. Ether1. Do you think a water cooler in a PC will cost? It depends on if you buy like an already built water cooler that you just, yeah, like I don't know what you call it in English anymore, like, yeah, it's already put together, or you can make a custom one. Custom one will be more expensive, I think, but I think about, yeah, in Norwegian 1,000 to 2,000, somewhere in that area for the water cooler. So okay, just logging into my wallet here and sending the ETH. Okay, how much was it? 0.0001, yeah, okay. Now I already shared my IP address and everything, so it's kind of scary, but it will be okay. And the verification address, copy that. And just go to the wallet. Okay, and passed it in there. And it was 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, generate transaction and send. Yes, make sure. Okay, so transaction should be good now. Real water. Okay, let me see. Now we can bring this back up. So you can see I did do the transaction, so it should be okay now. And the next step, banana. You want a real, yeah, a lot more if you want a real water-cooled machine, of course. So, well, I'll see the transaction you put in the blank field in the details menu on the side. Okay, yeah, okay. It's this one, isn't it? Yeah, good night, Takagi. Ah, not that one. Okay. Yeah, there we have this one. Yeah, bottom green, yeah, of course. Okay, let me see. Let me see if this works. Yeah, still waiting. There we have something happen. Yes, address verified, node active, and stake of course failed. Because I don't have the 15,000 yet. So, that was easy. Thank you so much, Banana, for helping out. I couldn't done this without you today. We'll just sit here and look like a fool. Or I already look like a fool, so that's no problem, but when you're ready, hit verify. Yeah, nice. Thank you. So, as I said, that was just a test. The next thing I'm going to do is put it on this machine instead. I just wanted to test this on the laptop today, just to see, yeah, to see what kind of problems I could run into. So, okay. So, I kind of successfully made a node master node now, so that's fun. My first one, woohoo! Nice job, yeah. And again, without the community, I wouldn't be able to do this now. Warning, don't run a GN at home. Yeah, your bandwidth will be racked. Okay. So, but the master node is probably okay, maybe. How much you think that will use? Because I have my remote location. I'm not quite sure how big the connection is over there. but we'll probably put it down there. Yeah, masternode is fine. Okay. Maybe I run the GN if I make one at the remote location. Yeah, warning, don't use scissors. Yeah, some of us have that problem, I think, Kevin. So, yeah, as you say, I was sending you my phone number and my email, so you can send the cards tomorrow. Okay, so it's about 20 megabits. Yeah, I think that would, because at home I have like this, what do you call it? I don't have fiber, because Alexander that was in the chat earlier should actually come and give me fiber soon, I think. I hope so. He's like this Teletubby guy. He's making that magic happen. Yeah, okay, so then we are done with that actually. So I can close this down and I can just let it run for a while, just check in on it later. And we can take this away and this away, and we can take this away and this away. We can go back here. Yeah, I was actually trying out on oh, something is happening here. 76 degrees, that's not good. I have to check on that later. Seems like the fan not spinning up actually. So yeah, see what's happening. Yeah, there it is. It's just some lag time. And we have one rig. Yeah, that was the file for Kevin. I just downloaded. Can actually just send it to him when I'm still remembering it. So there you have it. Okay. Nightbot, you're starting to bug me. Stop spamming caps. Yeah, the Nightbot is a crazy guy. Yeah, I was trying on my 1070 rig today. I was trying on the flight sheet. Let me see. Over here we have this. Yeah, this NV kernel should supposedly give you a better hash rate, but on this rig nothing happened. So fuck yeah, thank you again. So I haven't tested it too much now. I just put it in and see if it did something, but nothing happened. So it should actually give you better hash rate, but as I say, it's the same, still the same hash rate. Nothing changed. So this rig was actually mining Grin until yesterday. I was putting it over to the Ether1. As I said, it was running Grin. I've been running Grin for quite a long time now. Actually, it's been running Grin almost since the beginning of the network. I was running Grin on, I think, 24 AMD GPUs the day it launched, but one 1070 rig with 8 cards doing the same hash rate as 24 AMD cards done in the beginning, so it's better to just use this rig to. So I will probably put it back on Grin when I mined enough Ether1 to make my nodes. Yeah, this is still running. I started this few hours ago. This it seems like it's it locked up because I was disconnecting the screen earlier. So the BIOS was wrong on the card. Going to the next card, I think it was stupid mistake that was making it not to mine. Okay, yeah, that's the problem when you buy the used cards. I had that problem before. I bought a lot of used cards and someone thought they put in the right BIOS on the card and they was just messed up, and then I had to find another BIOS on the internet because of course he didn't have the original BIOS for them or anything. So yeah, I will actually kind of thinking of testing the HD 7970 card. I will test that on a few other algorithms actually today before I cut off the stream. If you are interested in seeing that, just let me plug in the monitor again. Tested all cards, but 9 out of 10 was good, so not too bad. Okay, so the last card was, what's the problem with it? It doesn't start at all, or is it working and won't mine, or not want to mine? Let's go to start. So think BIOS again. Yeah, probably the BIOS if the card is showing up in Windows or what you try started in. But if the card starts up, then it's probably just a BIOS problem on it, I will think. Yeah, I'm just switching one monitor back to the rig over here. Rig test bench, we call it. Okay, there we are, and we can probably test bench, maybe. Yeah, there we are. Okay, as I said, this is the, as you can see, it's the old 7970 card and the 7950 behind there. So I actually was thinking about trying it on, see if it will run on anything actually at all. As you can see, it's running on Ether1 without any problems, and I think we're going to test a few other, just bring up BBT's multi-miner here and see what we can have more. Maybe we can just bring up the miner itself. Let's see if it will mine something else. Maybe Raven coin, we'll try that. Was it 51? No. It was Nvidia wild rig. Okay, we try the wild rig and see if it starts at all. No, it won't. I think he maybe made a new update to the miner. If you can't stake the cards you buy in a cool way, what makes you look rich? Yeah, for sure. Monego. Okay, first I think I go to BBT's, let me see, over here and download the latest of his multi-miners. They are really good tool when you are just testing stuff. Official release, let me see his GitHub, there we have it. Release version 7, I think he made a new one later. Let me see, multi-miner, April, this one. No, that's still number 7. Okay. Didn't they make an 8 point something or a 9 or something like that? 13. Yeah, it's probably this one. That's the latest one then. No, because there's a version 8 here, so as I said, I think he updated it. Because this has, yeah, he's updated it after this one. Let me see. Maybe it's here. 6.0. Oh, maybe I didn't put it up here. Let me see. Yeah, minus probe mine. Yeah, there we are, of course. Clone or download. So I will probably have 5 more cards on Thursday, maybe Wednesday, I think. And then we are going to build a new rig with those cards and a couple of other cards I have from before. So an 8 card rigs I will build next week. And then I will have 80 cards running, I think. Not sure, yeah, 76 cards now, because I have one of these cards are an Nvidia 1050 Ti card. So that card will go out of this rig, and I put the 5 cards I get from Kevin and these 3 cards in this rig instead. So then we'll have 8 cards in this rig, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the 1050 Ti. I see, maybe I just put it in the test bench and let that stay there and mine. Not sure yet, we'll see. Okay. Then we can unpack this one. Yeah, we just do it like this. Copy. Let me just put it on the desktop. I can just get one more. Yeah, only one more MSI card, yeah. Now, as I said, because I have 3 cards on the rig from before, like these Riadon cards, I have 3 of them. The RX 570 Sapphire card and 2 GB cards, and then I will put the 5 MSI cards in it. Yeah, I will get rid of this, because you send me 5 cards and then I have 8 cards in this rig. So as I said, I was building all my rigs to 8 card rigs now. Before I had 13 card rigs, but I started to rebuild them to 8 cards. Okay, it's probably done unpacking now. No, actually not. Why does this take so long time? Ah, yeah, because it's already... Okay, screw this then. paste it in here then. There we have it. Your math is not the best. Yeah, it happens to all of us. Just don't play with scissors, you know. This can take forever. I was actually thinking about doing a more in-depth on the different BIOSes on the card. As you can see in this rig, I have one with Elpida memory, one with Samsung, and one with Micron, and I have a lot of Hynix cards also. So I was thinking of going through all the cards one day and just like BIOS mod all of them to just, yeah, get it out there. Because it's a lot of bad videos, I think, on the BIOS modding. A lot of old videos actually that's not like up to date anymore on like YouTube and stuff. I have 2 Dreams right now, same card, same memory, everything is the same. It will be so easy to deal with. Yeah, as you can see on my other rigs, I have as you can see, I have all Samsung cards in this rig, and why do I do that? And you see in this rig I have all Samsung. And, Samsung is actually the cards I've had the most struggle with getting stable actually. Like you see, this rig and this rig is actually the same cards, but you can see I get this to 30.4. If I overclock these cards to more than 22,000, I can get them to run at 2100, but they get unstable then. No, 2050 I mean, but they get really unstable. Same type of RX. Yeah, these are exactly the same cards, all these 3 first rigs. And then we have rig number 4, yeah, that's the Nvidia rig. And we have, yeah, this is the Hynix cards. And as you see, I have all the same cards in the same rig with Hynix memory. And the same on this one. Yeah, this is also all Hynix. And yeah, this is Hynix cards. As you can see here, I have actually one card here you can see that's have some problems. Before it was, I think it's one of the risers that's going out, because this card has been at the same hash rate as these cards for a long time, but suddenly it dropped down almost 1 megahertz. Yeah, this is the Aorus ones, I think. Probably I think I have the RX 570 and 580 are Aorus, and I have the Gigabyte, is it Gaming or something? Yeah, this one, Gaming 4G or something. I have a lot of these cards. So, and they've been running now for 1.5, almost 2 years now, without any problems. And I think this is probably maybe the Aorus, maybe, or this one. No, not that one. This one maybe. This is also Hynix Gigabyte cards. Was it this? Yeah, this is the 570. This is the Aorus cards. I'll ship you a BIOS for the Aorus ones. Yeah, 31.3. As you can see, these cards, this is the RX 570 cards, and they are actually running at 31.8 megahashes. I overclocked them to 2150 and they've been running stable for a long time. That's crazy. But I will definitely test that BIOS on the 580 cards. Yeah, you're using less power. Yeah, of course I could turn down the power usage on them. Maybe I have them to 900 on the voltage. I could probably turn them down to 850 maybe, but then they, yeah, I just use a little more power on them and they are stable all the time. So But as you said, I think I was running them at, yeah, I think in Hive they was showing up like 68 to 70 watts, I think, each card. But I have a kind of a nice deal on the power anyway, so it's not that important to like shave off the last few watts on them. So, and yeah, here you see I have the Elpida memory on these RX 570. This is the same cards, the Sapphire Pulse cards that you got now. What is a nice deal? Yeah, the nice deal is the building my rigs are standing in is kind of an, yeah, what do you call, industrial building, so the people that's using the building for work at daytime, they use the heat from the miners to heat up part of the building, so I have kind of a good deal on electricity down there. I don't pay too much because they use a lot of power for their stuff, so my like 10 kilowatts doesn't actually do a lot on their power bill from before, so yeah, that was the secret on that. Okay, so then we can see now we have, is this the latest updated version? Maybe. Yeah, it seems like it. Yeah, maybe. I think he actually updated it later than this also, because I don't think this Monero miner that's in this is actually working anymore. I think that's the old one. Try it and see. Maybe it's connecting to the network. Seems like it. Cannot convert blob data. Yeah, I think it's connecting to the old before the fork actually. Miners. It was wild rig 0.5.13 start. Yeah, we can MTP. Just try that and see. It will run. No. Okay. Is there something else we can try out with these cards? Maybe. We can try. Is the Nevermore miner here? Yeah, no, yeah, Evermore. Let's try that. What's the example on this? X16R. Yeah, we can try this. Just see what's happening. You have a bad deal. Yeah, power in Norway is always a bad deal, actually. It's kind of never a good deal. I wanted to hear about the update on Red Panda minings. He got the Riadan 7 earlier today, I think. I haven't seen him on Discord after that. So I hope he comes with an update on that soon. Yeah, this would take some time. Probably I need actually to install some more stuff to get that running, I think. Kryptonite, Sumo, ETN, XMR. I think this is, yeah, there we see. If we can get some hashes on Raven, on the old cards. Yeah, good night, XLO. Nice to have you here. Hope you come back the next time. Okay, we got let me see, 2.4. It's actually not too bad on the old cards. 2.9, almost 3, yeah, we break 3 mega hash. And we are using 267 watts on these two cards. Yeah, and next time it will be like a rig build when I go live. Not just me fooling around with stuff I don't know. See you later then. Yeah. Go to bed, Kevin. Okay, so we're up in 3 and so we almost totally we have like 7 mega hashes now on Raven on those two cards. Yeah, me too actually. It's kind of late now. I have to get up with the kids tomorrow, so we'll probably soon go to bed myself. Almost 3 mega hashes. Maybe we try to overclock it a little and just see on the core. See if it bumps up a little more. Just for fun. Maybe, yeah, we got it over 4 mega hashes actually. So BBT is getting some free Raven hashes from me now. How many kids? I have 2 kids. 2 kids. 2 and 4 years old. So they take a lot of my time actually. That's why I haven't been able to live stream too much lately. It's been a lot of stuff going on at work and late evenings at work, and yeah, and of course the kids take a lot of time. So we actually got it to 4.4 mega hashes, 4.5. It's actually not too bad. On these old cards, I think they do. I don't remember what the RX 580 cards do anymore, but I think it's not actually too far away. I think they do like 6 mega hashes, maybe 5. If you only have late nights, yeah, that's not too fun. Yeah, as I said, I think we say okay for today, and I will come back in a few days and do a rig build, I think. Rebuilding a rig at least. And yeah. Oh, there we have it. So I'm just going to check if it's... No, not there. Yeah, there we have it. Just going to go back on the... Let me see if there's someone on. No, not anyone actually. We just do like this then. What was that command again? Crypto news, I think. Yeah, so I see you in a few days, and thank you for stopping by, everyone. Nice to have you here, and thank you for the new followers. And yeah, so I'm just going to do like this. I hope I did it right. Yeah, 1 viewer. You are welcome to say hi to Crypto World News, and yeah, see you the next time.